Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I will show you how you can find the maximum values for the given categories. So finding what's the maximum order amount, what is the maximum profit, or what is the maximum quantity is something which is a common whenever you are creating a new report or dashboard, because you want to show them, okay, for example, if you are creating IT incident tickets, so for which particular category you have got the maximum number of tickets, right? Similarly for sales, for which particular product category you have the maximum quantity, things like those is a common query when we are creating a report for our for the performance tracking or for management, to show them how the situation is in their business. Alright, so I will show you how you can create or how you can identify this within Power BI using the Power BI DAX function max. So before that, I will just give one quick information that within description you will find 3 links. One for the data set. Second one is for the Power BI videos, which is a Google Sheet link where you can search any of my published Power BI videos very easily and jump to those using the link provided. And the third link is basically the Google Data Studio report link, which contains all of my 900 plus videos of my channel, which you can search pretty easily and jump to those because a link is also provided over there. You can search for Tableau, Qlik, Power BI, even the Google Data Studio tutorial if you want to learn those. Alright, so that's about the quick information on my channel which is available. Now let's move on to creating the max function. So to create the max function, I will going to click over here, new measure, and the new measure is coming here, and I will say what I want to find is the maximum ordered sale. So I will say max ordered sale. And you can write whatever you want. So for example, in the previous video when I was showing how to find the minimum value, I have said minimum recorded sale. Similarly, but here this time I'm saying maximum ordered sale. So whatever makes sense and useful from the business language perspective, go ahead and create it by that name. And here pretty similar, simple, I will use the max function. And after max, I will going to write the name of the column. So let's say I have the sales, and here is this. So maximum sales is here, maximum ordered sale. And if I just click this, you will have the maximum ordered sale over here. Now to add this to this table, I will just click it over here to select the table. Here are my fields which has been added, and now I will just drag this field at the end and I will have the maximum ordered sale. So I have minimum sale and the maximum ordered sale, which is 3347. So there is, you can see, a huge range. Similarly, the minimum ordered in case of copiers is 299 and maximum is 17499. So huge difference. But it gives you the visibility what the range of your categories are in terms of sales or whatever the interest, measure interest that you are having. And then you can basically go ahead and create this pretty easily for the visibility perspective. Now for the homework, what you can do is you can create the maximum ordered quantity and maximum profit order, or maximum profit order makes sense. So create that and do the exercise. That will help you to perform these actions pretty quickly whenever the situation is arising. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.